Hello and welcome to H&S Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from an Android phone. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your phone. Inside the settings option, you need to go to the users and account at the bottom, as you can see. Alternatively, you can search for accounts on the top, and users and accounts will pop up. I'm suggesting this if you're using a different Android version, then you might have your menu differently. So you can simply search for accounts on the top and you will get this option over here. Inside users and account, it shows you all the accounts which are linked on your phone. Here you see the option of Google. You just need to click on that, and inside Google it shows you all the accounts which are linked on this device. So if you want to delete any of these, let's say I want to delete the second one, if I click on that, it shows you all the options of what is synced over there, and then down at the bottom there's a small pin, and with that it says it gives you the option to remove. If you click on that, it will give you a pop-up saying removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So make sure that you really don't want to use that Google account before deleting it, because everything associated with this Google account, which is Gmail or any of other Google services, all of that will be deleted from your phone, so you won't have access to any of those. And then if you want to gain any of the access to any of the other applications attached to the same account, then you would have to add your Google account again on your phone. So after this, you just need to click on remove, and then that will delete the account for you. I'm just going to cancel this for now because I don't want to remove this account. So that's basically everything you need to do to remove a Google account from your phone. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when any upcoming videos like this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.